So welcome in this new video. Today I'm going to show how to make wheel bearing. This is the balls. This is the outer ring printed, full printed. This is the inner ring. So with this part I will mount the wheels on this part, so it will be like this, mounted like this. So use some screws to fix here, just apply the screws here and then fix, done. So the wheel is there. Okay, let me show you how to make the bearing. This is the outer ring, this is the inner ring. So it's supposed to be like this. Sorry, it is supposed to be like this. Yeah, you see, outer ring, inner ring. So, and these are the metal bars. I have those two holes. From this side I can insert the bars inside. When I insert the bars, you can see, so I chose to place, let me place here, the bars go inside. I place the next one, the next one, the next one inside. So the thing is, the bars stay inside here, so it avoids the axial movement. So I cannot take the inner ring out because of the bars, and the bars also help to reduce the friction between the boundary. So that's why I have to insert 12 bars inside. So you can see the bearing is here. Yeah, and this is the full one. You can see here, when I rotate, the bearings try to push the bars, or the inner ring try to push the bars out. So the solution here is I will close the two holes, so the bars will stay inside and the bearing will work properly. So you see, you can see I cannot take it out, so there's no movement on the axial axis. This is how I will mount it on the wheels. Just take the wheel like this, insert like this, take the bars, insert the bars here, or the screws, sorry, insert the second one. I will have at the end 4 screws. So, and then you can see, then the wheels rotate, and this is the holder. I will fix this part on the car, and then the wheel will be there rotating. You can see here inside how the bars, they are moving there. So you see, it's very proper. There is no gap between the bars, so it's worked very fine. So this is what I wanted to show today. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Ciao.